Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about future of virtual data rooms. Future of virtual data rooms, prediction for the future of virtual data rooms. Virtual data rooms have become an integral part of modern business operations. Eventually in industries like finance, mergers and acquisitions, legal and healthcare. While I cannot predict the future with certainty, I can provide some insight into potential trade and prediction for the future of virtual data room based on the trajectory of technology and business practice up until my last knowledge update in September 2021. Number 1. Increased adoption. The adoption of VDR is likely to continue growing as business recognize the benefit of secure and efficient document sharing. Even industries that were, were traditionally slow to adopt new technology, such as healthcare and government, may increasingly turn to VDRs. Number 2. Enhanced security features. Data security will remain a top priority, and VDR providers will continue to invest in advanced security features, including multi-factor authentication, encryption, and AI-powered threat detection to protect sensitive information. AI and automation. Artificial intelligence and machine learning will play a more significant role in VDRs. These technologies can be used to automatic document categorization, indexing, and even contact analysis, making it easier manage and search for specific information within large data sets. Number 4. Integration with other tools. VDRs will likely become more intelligent with other business tools and software, such as project management, customer relationship management, and signature solution. This integration will streamline workflow and enhance productivity. Number 5. Mobile assembly. As mobile technology continues to advance, VDRs will become even more assembled via smartphones and tablets. This will enable a user to access and